Now, if we fall back in the water.
If y'all fall in the water, I'm going to laugh.
Break your neck on that thing, we'll pick you up and put you in the boat. Just don't let go of the cable. No, don't jerk. Just pull. One, do not fall in that water. You will break your neck on that thing.
Will is already halfway in the water.
2, 3.
Now, let's pull it that way.
That's
Yeah.
good,
Let's
gentlemen.
pull it
I'm
this way.
satisfied.
Let's pull it this way.
How about that?
Just start doing it. Yep. Let's pull it. I want you to have luck.
I'm satisfied. I know that's right.
3. Come on, fellas. Come on. Come on, fellas. Come on, fellas. Say, move.
Hold on.
Well, I think the total walk goes to the middle.
We didn't really work together. We were
all
jerking.
put in different directions.
Like we were jerking. We need to pull.
No,
We need to
better
pull in
traction
one
method.
direction.
Is this what male bonding
Direction,
is?
and we're gonna get the most leverage at the
It looks like
And
food.
y'all have all traction. Y'all have tennis shoes on.
Oh my goodness.
Let's not just keep pulling the same motion.
Now this is
Too
gonna
much
be easy if you pull
testosterone
just
in the
slightly
air.
up to
Why? Why?
Jordan, you need to.
That is so funny. He's like, I'm satisfied.
You absolutely
I know that's
need to
right.
have
You understand what it is.
Jordan got
those.
off.
In 3, we're gonna put tension and then pull. Push with your leg. 1. Wait. Everybody make sure you have a good point of leverage. 1. Jordan, you're not doing any good right there. You got to get to where you can pull straight that way. There you go. 1,
Well, you need some gloves.
2, 3.
You see, he might get paid like he do. This kid getting paid like he do. What's up? JMC in the building. We moving mountain. We moving corn. JMC Entertainment, baby. Get at us. Get at us. I agree. We on the internet, baby. We in the international. Get at us, man.
Oh wow.